7, the activation of the emergency alert system for the New York City area. This is not a test. All programming has been temporarily suspended.
My fellow Americans, with a heavy heart and in order to fulfill my oath of office, I have authorized the launch of nuclear missiles in retaliation against the newly founded Russian rake. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of nuclear missiles from Russia aimed towards Europe and North America. These missiles have the capacity of striking significant population centers. You and your loved ones should locate a fallout shelter immediately. The enemy in this war is not a soldier with a gun or an airman soaring over our towns and cities, but the lethal force of explosive technology. Nevertheless, whatever terrors await us, all of the virtues that have allowed to preserve our freedom unharmed twice in this tragic century will be our resolve once again. It is imperative that we preserve and fight for our freedom, even unto the very end. Let us pray for our nation and men of benevolence wherever they may be as we strive.